While Windows Media Player is a reliable choice for many users, you might get the Windows Media Player cannot play the file error while playing certain files. This error indicates that there might be issues with the file format, codecs, or other settings. But don't worry, as we got the fixes in this video. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Ensure that the file you are trying to play is in a format supported by Windows Media Player. Common supported formats include MP3, MP4, MOV, WMA, and AVI. If the file format is not supported, you may need to convert it to a compatible format. For that, you can use VLC Media Player. Download and install VLC Player to your system and open it. Click Media and select Convert, Save. Then add your video or audio file and click Convert, Save. Now you need to select a destination profile. For videos, we recommend WMV plus WMA, ASF, and for audio, choose MP3. Click Browse to specify where you want to save the converted file. When you're done, click Start. Now VLC will start the conversion, and once done, open the new file with Windows Media Player. You can also download and install a codec pack to enhance Windows Media Player's codec support. Popular codec packs include K-Lite Codec Pack and CCCP, Combined Community Codec Pack. These packs include a wide range of codecs to cover various file types and will help fix the file can't play issue. Go to web browser and search K-Lite Codec Pack. Select Download Basic or Standard. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions for setup. Once you arrive at this page, make sure that Windows Media Player is selected and click Next. If your video files are still unplayable, it's possible they are corrupted. To effectively address this issue, consider using 4DDIG File Repair. It's a versatile tool designed to fix severe file corruption in videos, photos, audio, and documents. Whether your files are corrupted, inaccessible, or unplayable, this tool can repair and restore them to their original state. Let's check out how to fix damaged videos. Download and install 4DDIG File Repair on your computer. Launch the software, then you can see 4 options in the software main interface. Since we're focusing on unplayable video files, select Fix Video Errors. Add the damaged or corrupt video files you want to repair and then click Start Repair. After the repair, you can choose videos to preview and save them to a safe location. Try resetting Windows Media Player if you are still facing issues. This process restores the player to its default settings and helps to resolve any configuration problems. Type Windows Features in the search bar. Click Turn Windows Features on or off. Look for Media Features and expand it. Uncheck Windows Media Player. Click OK to save the changes. Afterward, restart your computer and then re-enable Windows Media Player following the same steps. If the issue continues, it's time to update your Windows Media Player to the latest version. Launch the player and right-click any space there. Choose Help and check for updates. If updates are available, you'll be prompted to install them. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the update. When encountering video playback errors in Windows Media Player, it's essential to consider the impact of outdated audio and video drivers. Let's see how to update them. Type Device Manager in the search bar and press Enter to open it. Find and expand the Display Adapters category. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. After that, select Search automatically for updated driver software if you want Windows to search for the latest driver online. Now your driver will be updated to latest version. Similarly, for the audio driver, repeat the process. Search for Audio Device in Device Manager and update your audio driver. As a final solution, consider opening your media files with an alternative media player. Recommended options include VLC Media Player, GOM Player, and 321 Media Player. These alternatives are equipped with a diverse set of built-in codecs, ensuring support for various file formats. With them, you may overcome compatibility issues and enjoy seamless playback of your media files. Hopefully, you now are able to play videos on Windows Media Player using above methods. To repair any corrupted or damaged videos on Windows PC, we strongly recommend trying 4DDIG file repair. Subscribe to our channel if you want more useful tips. See you next time.